Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Brad over here at Chattanooga Fish and Fun. Here at Fish and Fun, we sell Ranger boats and Lance truck campers. We got a beautiful day here to do a video. We're going to be checking out this 2022 Lance 825 that I actually have in stock here at Fish and Fun. So this camper right here is going to be made for your 250 and 350 series single rear wheel short bed trucks. If you have a 6.5 foot bed half-ton truck, it'll even fit that. You just have to check your vehicle's weight ratings, make sure that it works with your truck. The weights, they start out at 2,110 pounds dry, and then 2,428 pounds wet. So that gives you the weights there. Check your vehicle's weight rating. I don't have a crystal ball telling me, you know, what your truck's payload is. That's your job to check it. I give you the weights. Make sure that it works. Match it with the vehicle. Also, since this one's available, I'll go ahead and give you the price of this camper. It retails at $44,979. If you're interested, give me a call at 423-892-6272 and we'll work you up a fair price. All right, let's get started with it. All right, so like I said, this is a 2022 model Lance 825. Has the TPO nose cap construction, the new acrylic dual pane windows. I like these because they kick out further and let more ambient light and airflow through. We're kind of sandwiched between two big campers here, but we'll make it work. For 22, the black mountain graphics are now standard along with the black accents. We got electric jacks around all four corners. This is the Happy Jack 4220s. If you ever run into trouble with these, you pop this cap off, flip that switch down, pack a lunch and get to cranking, or you can use Happy Jack's supplied adapter bit to go in a drill and drill them up and down. But hopefully you don't run into any issues. Below that you'll see Lance's Lance plug there. That's their own custom wiring harness. We installed the truck side plug for you here. Right here we've got our propane tank. We got one 20-pounder there with a nice gauge on the side to let us know where we're at. And the external propane connection hanging out the bottom. That also tucks up nice and neat to get out of the way of the truck. Right here is going to be where we fill our fresh water. You can take up to 30 gallons on the go with you. 36 if you fill up the water tank, hot water tank. Anyways, this is where your hot water tank service area is. This is going to be your external hand warmer for cold weather. It's actually where the furnace blows out. 30 amp, excuse me, 30 amp campground connection. Underneath here, that's where you're going to find, where is it? There it is, your city water connection and your black water flush. So all your campground connections are on this side. Outdoor shower. You can rinse your hands off, your feet off out here, rinse the dog off, whatever you feel like rinsing off, you can use that. Insulated door hatches with a magnetic strip to hold up the doors. A little bit of a storage compartment here, and also a little bit larger storage compartment underneath that. On the back here we have the manual rear awning. That's an option for 2022. You don't have to get it, but it is an option. This one's got it, so whoever buys this one gets it. Well, let's see what else. Backup camera, that's an added option. Your docking lights and patio lights on the rear and both sides are standard for 22. Four Seasons package is standard, and we're certified green, Go Earth. This right here, I don't even understand Lance's thought process on this, but that's pretty pointless. Yes, that's supposed to be your designated sewer hose door. I'm just going to skip that and not talk about it. Keyless entry. Let's see, this is going to be your main dump, where you dump all your water lines and your gray and black water tank. So this one right here, these are going to be your cold and hot water line drains. Freshwater tank drain, again, that's 30 gallon. Then your black water drain and gray water drain. So your gray water drain is going to be 13 gallon capacity, and then your black water drain is going to be 14 gallon capacity. External charging port, 110 connections, license plate, and I believe that's it here on the back. We'll go to the roof here in a minute. All right, so for your campground side, which is also the passenger side, you have the power side awning that has the auto wind sensing. If it gets too windy, it rolls itself back in, and it has a huge LED light strip at the very end of it. Let's see, patio light, the dual pane acrylic windows. Got a big one right by the dinette over here. Outdoor speakers so we can tick off the neighbors. And I'm pretty sure that covers it on this side. Give you a little side look there. All right, let's check out the roof. Everyone voted to keep the roof in, so we'll keep the roof in the videos. All right, so this one has the, let's see, this is an upgraded option, the Lance roof load rack system. You got the crossbars here with it. You can strap down kayaks or storage racks to it. Fully walk-on roof on the Lance 825. The King Jack antenna for your TV. Fantastic roof vent, and 100-watt solar panel. So the 865, I believe, is the next one up that allows you to do 2 roof-mounted solar panels through the factory. It looks like you have room for another one up here if needed, but on the 825s you can only get 1 through the factory. And then this one also has the upgraded Coleman Mach 11 AC unit. Alrighty. Alright, headed in the camper here. I forgot to show you this. These are the steps that come with the camper. Hooked up underneath, nice and neat. Didn't want to forget to show you that though. But yeah, you've got 8 foot, I believe 8 foot 6 inches of floor space here. Lance says that you can sleep 4/5 people in this, so I'm guessing they are talking about 4 adults and 1 child on the bunk bed up there. I don't know about that. I was thinking maybe 2 inside, 2 outside, or something like that. That's the only way I'm sleeping 4 adults in this thing. But anyways, that's enough of my opinion. Over here to the left, you've got all your switches that run your exterior lights, docking lights, backup camera, interior walk-in light. Don't have a battery in this thing yet, I guess. Thought I did. All right, so this right here is going to be your closet when you walk in. I've seen people put shelves in these to make better space for like a pantry or whatever. This right here is where I always get my weights. This says camper weight is approximately 2,539 pounds with factory installed optional equipment. Let's see. That includes water and propane, and doesn't include up to 150 pounds of optional equipment less than 20 pounds. So you could be, let's see, 180, 2589, 2689. You could be 2,689 pounds. And then you subtract, I'm not doing math today, that's gonna make my head hurt, 269 pounds to get your dry weight from that. Anyways, there's the numbers. Right. All right, to the right when you walk in, this one will have the larger bathroom of the 825 and 865. 825 has the larger one because it minuses the sink in the bathroom area. You have to walk all the way across the street over here to use the sink. Don't get to look at yourself in the mirror either when you're brushing your teeth. But anyways, yes, this one has the larger bathroom for showering and using the john here. It is a wet bath, so you can take this shower head and use it as a bidet if needed. You don't have to worry about getting everything soaking wet. It'll go down to that drain there, and you've got you a vent up here that allows you to air it out, whether it's because it stinks or it's humid. All right, over here to the left is our kitchen area. Got us a little sink over here. Above, or we'll go beside. Beside, you have a little bit of countertop space for prep. You also get a sink cover that goes over the sink. You got a 2-burner stove top here. No oven with this one. You got to go up to the 865 to gain the oven, but you do have a microwave. So you got the microwave there, and then you got a little bit of storage over here for pots and pans or whatever you want to put in there. The convenience center here, I call it the control panel. You check your battery, fresh, black, gray water levels here. You run your water pump through it and your water heater on gas or electric. Radio that doesn't play Bluetooth. We are in 2022 and still don't have Blu-ray in campers. It's a nightmare. Pull-out drawers, non-slam. This is where you're going to find your 6-gallon water heater. All right, so everything to winterize, both the bypasses are in this door. These are actually super easy to winterize. You have your bypass here for your water heater and your bypass back there for your water pump. And then you just take this deal here and put it in the pink stuff, suck it up, run it through the lines, and you're good to go. Or you can blow them out. Some people blow them out. Whatever makes you happy. Alright, so here's our dinette. This one is in the bronzite interior color. You have what you call Grayson interior. That replaced platinum for 21. It's like a gray color, looks just like this, just a little bit different color here, gray. Then you have bronzite, that is obviously this color, and then you have lapis, that's an STD. Just kidding. It's actually like a royal blue color. Looks great. Here is our MSRP sheet that includes everything on this camper, including the price and the weight. This one is 2,243 pounds shipped, so that's dry weight without propane and water. There's our options. There's our price. A lot of people hide their price, and I don't understand why. There's the price right there. It's MSRP $44,979. If you want to buy the camper, I'll work you up a sale price, but you got to call for that. I don't think I'm allowed to post under retail online. This right here is your little cabinet. You can use it for storage or as a fold down bunk, and you take those 2 clips out right there and it folds down nice and in the way of your head here in the dinette. Got our 2 ceiling titties here. Those are our speakers, and then you got 2 more up in the bed area. Those are also controlled by zones. You got zone B, or zone A, B, and C. Oh, let's see. Right here, don't need to forget this. There's your night shade, and there's your day shade. You can actually use these with the window out, so you can eliminate, you know, thousands of bugs making their way in. You're going to be camping. You're going to get bugs in the camper, so there's not a full way to bug proof your camper. At least I haven't found a way yet. But anyways, if you don't like bugs, don't go camping. Here's our 3-way refrigerator. It runs off of AC, DC, and propane. You open it right up here. It's 3 cubic foot. Got some nice space in there. Little ice box. I just noticed that we're missing like caps on some of these lights. I've noticed 2 now. I guess Lance likes to ship these without, you know, covers for the LED lights. We'll get them eventually. Let's see. Your over cab area is a 60 by 80 inch mattress, so it is a full queen size mattress. Got shelf space over the window there to the right, and pretty much just some dead space over here to the left. You can put your luggage and stuff over in this dead area here. Got your fire escape right over here. I'm taking my chances and running out the front door, Chuck Norris style. Anyways, you have 77 inches of headroom in these, so pretty good headroom until you get up here in the bed. That's where you need to duck, because you could knock yourself out very easily going up there. But it is a truck camper. I mean, the Cabover, it's not going to be as spacious as your house. A little bit of headroom going out the door there too, so that's pretty neat. Anyways, again, this is Brad over here at Chattanooga Fish and Fun, where fishing's always fun. We sell Ranger boats and Lance truck campers. And again, this is the 2022 Lance 825. It is available right now. If you are interested in a Lance 825, might want to give me a holler, because these are about close to a year out now. If you don't want to wait a year, I've actually got one here. Reason being is the customer ordered this thing. He lives in Canada and his phone number doesn't work, his email doesn't work, and it's been here for a month now, so he's had time to call and can't get in touch with the guy. So it's up for grabs for someone else, because now Fish and Fun has to foot the bill. So if you're interested in a camper, give me a call. It doesn't have to be an 825. I can put your name on another order, but we'll get you a camper. Anyways, if you have any questions, comment below or give me a call at 423-892-6272. My email will also be in the description below. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so if you want to. Also, if you want to see another video from me for some reason, you can hit the notification bell and it'll notify you when my goofy self uploads another video. Again, this was in the neighborhood of like $45,000 on the retail side. Call me for a sales price. If you're still watching this, I guess I'm just blabbering now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.